What is bakery management? Bakery management encompasses all activities intended to manage bakery operations. It may include, but is not limited to, the following 10 macro processes: production planning and demand forecasting, raw materials and ingredients supply, production management, engineering and maintenance, plant personnel management, continuous improvement, quality assurance, plant sanitation, plant economics control, overall plant operation and financial reports, support and strategic areas, such as research and development or bakery formulations. All these processes must work closely in order to obtain the best results. Bakery management requires both experience and professional education. The best managers are those who listen, inspire, and develop people to become future operation leaders. How does bakery management work? The 10 macro processes can be broken down into several components to obtain a better idea of what they stand for. First, there is production planning and demand forecasting. This refers to teamwork with sales department. Then comes raw materials and ingredients supply, which covers materials requirement planning, or MRP, negotiations with suppliers, for example, minimum order quantity, prices per pound or kilo, bulk or discrete amount deliveries, lead times based on bakery's needs and specifications. Periodic purchasing, such as purchase orders and communication with suppliers. Stock or inventory management, for example FIFO rotation, minimum stock according to internal policies, materials shelf life, and storage space available in racks, as well as material receiving standards and procedures according to specifications established by research and development and quality assurance. Next comes production management. This is a core activity within internal supply chain. This macro process includes materials and time efficiency, for instance changeover time, total production time, and downtimes due to equipment failures. Product yield based on line speed and planned batches. Process waste. Product coding, manufacturing date, best before date, traceability coding. And finished product delivery to logistics department. After that, there is engineering and maintenance. This covers operational assets management, preventive maintenance, corrective maintenance, including urgent mechanical repairs, parts replacement, and general interventions on essential production equipment to avoid line stoppages. Equipment and parts purchasing, as well as participation in bakery engineering projects, for example new oven, new mixer, equipment overhauling, etc. Then, there is plant personnel management. This includes payroll, people training and education, such as bakery technology, handling of fire extinguishing devices, accident prevention, plus food safety and good manufacturing practices, leaders development, and promotion processes. After that, there is continuous improvement. This involves the implementation of lean manufacturing tools at the plant level, for example 5SS, 6 Sigma methodology, and total productive maintenance. Participation in plant meetings to improve any condition in the production process, material or equipment related, that may impact productivity positively. And application of statistical tools to current processes in order to find improvement opportunities and take actions based on findings. Then there is quality assurance. This macro process covers specifications for raw materials, like wheat flour, yeast, sugar, etc. Specifications for finished products, such as bread, buns, cakes, and others. Specifications for packaging materials, for example boxes, bags, etc. Lab analysis, including moisture content, pH, water activity, nutrient composition, colorimetry, rheological assessment of doughs and batters. Documentation, implementation, and control of food safety management systems. Participation in HACCP team meetings. Also, this process involves internal and external certification, audits on HACCP, GMPs, FSMA. Next comes plant sanitation. This involves the planning and execution of cleaning and sanitation activities on food and non-food contact surfaces, like walls, floor, processing equipment, or conveyor bands. Pest management, indoor and outdoor environments. Implementation and control of food safety management systems, as well as participation in HACCP team meetings. Then, there is plant microeconomics. This includes overall plant operation reports, daily, weekly, and monthly. Financial reports for top management. Manufacturing costs. Financial impact of waste. And plant performance review. And last but not least, there are the support and strategic areas, for instance research and development or bakery formulations. This covers product development, bakery formulations development and approval, ingredient technologies for sugar and fat reduction, clean label solutions for chemical dough conditioners replacement, and testing of enzymes following standard procedures and execution of bake tests. Application. Proper bakery management becomes critical when operations become more complex as sales increase. As a bakery scales up, it needs more tools to better control costs, optimize equipment usage, and obtain better prices due to higher volumes. When it is time to make a big change, bakery managers often hire consultants to prepare the necessary steps and establish the required macro processes that enable the bakery to reach a new level of control over plant operations. As bakery operations increase in complexity and size, a key thing is to keep things simple and practical. Want to learn more about bakery management? Visit BAKERpedia. Learn more about all things baking by signing up for our newsletter. Until next time, bakers. At BAKERpedia, we're here on a need-to-know basis.